欢迎大家到破解中文，我是宇鹏。今天我要跟大家分享一下我最喜欢的10个中国菜。Hey everybody, welcome to Cracking Chinese. I'm Carl. Today I want to take you through my personal top 10 favorite Chinese dishes. So hopefully you'll get some ideas for when you go to the restaurant next time, and also we might learn some Chinese in the process. 所以让我们来开始吧。Let's get cracking. So these are in no particular order. They are just my personal favorites. Of course, there's many more and there's many variations on these dishes too. You'll find that some of the Chinese names for these dishes, some are very straightforward, while others are a little bit abstract. So first up on our list, we have Di Sanxian. Di Sanxian is an interesting name. It's the character for ground or earth, then it's the character for the number 3, and then it's the character for fresh or delicious. So it might translate as something like the 3 fresh things from the ground, or it's often translated as the 3 treasures from the ground. So obviously then it's got 3 main ingredients, and it's potato, aubergine or eggplant, and green peppers. And it's stir-fried together, and it's kind of often got this gravy-like sauce on it. It's a little bit like the gravy you'd get in an English fish and chip shop, which I think is why I like it so much. And apparently it originates from the Dongbei area of China. So that's our first one, 地三鲜. Second, we have 土豆丝. 土豆丝 is technically a side dish, I suppose. 土豆 is the word for potato, and 丝 is silk or anything thread-like. So 土豆丝 is shredded potato. It's lightly stir-fried, shredded, crispy potato. Delicious. Some might add some bell peppers to it, a little bit of chili oil. The potatoes are not always cooked right the way through, so they're a little bit crispy still. Apparently it originates from Sichuan province. And if you've not already, you should go and try it. 土豆丝. So number 3, we've got 麻辣香锅. 麻辣香锅 literally translates as numbing, spicy, fragrant, hot. So it's got a lot of spices and a lot of flavors going on there. 麻辣 is that type of spice that numbs the mouth. Apparently this dish originates from Chongqing. So in a restaurant, you can normally choose the ingredients that go into your 麻辣香锅. So you probably pick some vegetables, you might have some Chinese greens, maybe some mushrooms, some bamboo shoots, really whatever you like. And then you might add some meat or some fish, maybe some fish balls or some chicken or some beef. And then they will stir fry it all up for you, add in spices, chilies, and the Sichuan peppercorns, the huajiao, which is what really gives it that mala flavor. So that's our third dish, 麻辣香锅. So number 4, we've got la mian. La mian means hand-pulled noodles. La means to pull, and mian is the word for noodles, and it's the wheat flour noodles. They're popular in the north of China, especially in the city of Lanzhou. It's the same word as ramen in Japanese, la mian. And then you can have them dry or soupy, and you can normally choose your toppings. So I particularly like qingjiao niu rou la mian. Qingjiao is green peppers, niu rou beef. So peppers and beef, really. That was an easy name, wasn't it? Qingjiao niu rou la mian. So number 5, we've got mu xi rou. This might be called mu shu pork in the West. Mu xi rou has normally got cucumbers, pork, obviously, scrambled egg, and black wood ear mushrooms in it. And it can also be said mu xu rou. So mu xi rou originates in Shandong province, and mu xi means sweet osmanthus. And apparently the scrambled egg in mu xi rou is supposed to look a little bit like the yellow flowers of the sweet osmanthus tree, hence its name, mu xi rou. If you've not tried it, that's another one you should get out there and try. It's delicious. So number 6 is a good one for wintertime when it's cold. It's 疙瘩汤. 疙瘩汤 is dough drop or dough dumpling soup, and it's normally got egg and spinach and tomato in it. 疙瘩湯. 疙瘩 is an interesting and fun word to know. It can mean pimple, which is not too appealing, but it can also mean lump or knot. And so the little drops or little pieces of dumpling in the soup are supposed to resemble little knots, hence its name, 疙瘩湯. So number 7 is a famous one that I'm sure you know. It's 宫保鸡丁. 宫保鸡丁 is known as kung pao chicken in the West, and it's got little cubes of chicken in it, onions, peanuts, dried chili, and Sichuan peppercorns, and it comes from Sichuan. 宫保鸡丁. So 宫保鸡丁is an interesting name. Gong means palace. Bao can mean protect or treasure, and sometimes it's written bao, which means explode, and then jiding is chicken cubes. So sometimes on Chinese menus, you will see it written as exploding palace chicken, or the chicken that explodes the palace. Now, apparently, though, its name comes from the governor of Sichuan province a long time ago called Ding Baojun, whose chef invented the dish,宫保鸡丁. Number 8, we've got another side dish, which is pai huanggua. Pai huanggua means smashed cucumber salad or something like this. Pai means to pat or to hit lightly, which is what you do to the cucumber before it's served. Pai huanggua. It's normally served with a little bit of garlic, salt, vinegar, soy sauce, and chili oil, and it's served cold. It's delicious. And number 9, we've got hong shao rou, which translates as red braised pork belly. Hong shao means to braise something in soy sauce. It comes from Hunan province and it melts in the mouth. It's incredible. Hong shao rou. So last on our list, but definitely not my least favorite, is hui guo rou. Hui guo rou is sometimes translated as twice cooked pork. It literally means the meat that returns to the dish or to the wok. Hui guo rou. So it's normally made with pork belly again. It's got douban jiang in there, which is chili bean paste. They add some douchi, which is black fermented beans, which gives it a very distinctive flavor. Fermented black soybeans. And then some suan miao, which is garlic shoots, some green garlic, some garlic shoots, some chilies, and some red peppers. Absolutely incredible. Hui guo rou. So those are some of my favorite Chinese dishes. What are yours? Let us know down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. 谢谢大家，再见，加油。